My session at the conference today in Madrid was about using art to generate language in the classroom. It's the session that was aimed at primary school children from 6 to 11, and I was using art to show what can be used at various ages. I'd like to share with you one of the things that we did, the first thing, which was that I divided the participants into groups, and each group got a secret painting, and the paintings I used were here, these ones, okay, and the objective was to get the participants to work together and to feel more comfortable. And they had to create a freeze frame, for example, of Botticelli's Birth of Venus, okay? And then we would look at their freeze frame. And from that, we were able to talk about how we might use this just to start a class, just to have that bit of art in the class, or that that might lead into, well, actually, what do you think these people are saying to each other? And what's the dialogue? And see if we could move it into a story, or even like a piece of drama. I talked about how we can use art globally to introduce themes like feelings, and we looked at various images, and that brought up how various images can be used across the age groups, and how they can also be used to link to various different items on our curriculums around the world. So things like personal and social development, things like different countries' geography. And then I moved back into ideas for promoting good sentence structure with the children. And for that, what I did was I put up these list of words on the board, okay? And the objective was that you had to write a sentence in your head, okay? And then on your little post-it note, you've got to draw the picture of that sentence, all right? Which produced some great pictures. So my example one was this one. Okay, so with these words on the board, you've got the cat ran over the garden quickly or happily, for example. And another participant who produced this one, which was great, the elephant whispered by the tree. Okay, and we talked about how in one piece of material with an artistic entry, how you can present maybe more complex language than the children are ready for, but that it doesn't matter because they're picking and choosing, and the cognitive load on the children is relatively small because you're asking for an artistic output rather than the traditional sentence structure for exercises. That was 2 ideas from my session today, which I hope that will be useful for people. But if you'd like to find more engaging ideas to use in classrooms across the globe, you can go and check out our YouTube channel.